Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a product review for you guys, and it is a product that a company reached out to me to do for my honest opinion, my honest review. I did receive the products for free. I am not being paid for this review. Like I said, they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their product for free to give my honest feedback for. So the product is called Highoh, or Highoh, if I'm saying that correctly. Basically, what they are washable pads for your period. And basically, what it is this kit includes 6 medium flow washable pads, as well as what they call a wet bag. It's one bag, it's basically like a carrying and storing bag for them when not in use and when they are in use. Um, this product costs $20.99. You can find them on Amazon. I will make sure I link all their social media handles and everything down below, as well as where you can get them. And I also have a 10% off coupon code for you guys that I'll also link down below, so when you can get the starter kit. Currently, right now, they are out of stock. They were on like the top trending items selling on Amazon. So it might take a little while for them to be back in stock, but they sell out very quickly. So yeah. So basically, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about them before I actually get into showing you the product and testing out the product for you. Basically, it is two sisters that came up with this product. And let's see, I'm looking at their little brochure. These are the girls that came up with the product. And yeah, so they created the Highoh. That's what it is. I wrote it wrong on my paper. Huh. The Highoh company. And they came up with this product. And I actually really like this product. Because, as you know, being a female, pads, tampons, all of that stuff is super expensive. It's a constant monthly expense that you're going to have. So, being able to have something like this that can be reused, it's going to last you a while, can definitely help. So, talking more about this product, it can be used up to anywhere from 3 to 4 years. If they are taken care of properly, they can last up to 5 years. I'm going to go over how they are taken care of. Obviously, when you get them, you're going to make sure you wash them first. You can use any kind of detergent on them. They recommend not using fabric softener, as that can interfere with their actual maximum absorbency. But basically, you just want to wash them first when you get them. Dry them. They can go in a regular washing machine and a dryer. And then they recommend that when you're home and have nowhere to go, when you go to change them, that you soak them in like a soaking bath first. Outside of that, you can just put them in your laundry when you're ready to do laundry. They last anywhere from 2 to 6 hours for changing reasons, just the same as you would a normal disposable pad. And yeah, so I mean, it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to show you the actual product. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the product. So this is the bag. They call it their wet bag that it comes in. Obviously it's not wet, it's just what you would use to store them. When you're on the go, you can carry a fresh, clean one in here, and then when you need to change them, you can put them the used ones right in here. So it comes in this cute little bag. I absolutely love it. It has a nice little like clip here, so you can actually like clip it to something or carry it. So it's actually really cool. I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding my phone. And then, like I said, it comes with um, 6 washable pads. And this is what they look like. Sorry for the glare. This is what they look like. The back, they look like this. They have 2 different size snaps in them. So they open up like that, and then they have 2 different sizes. I like to have it just right on the first one because it fits better for me. If I have it on this one, it seems to like bunch it up. So by having it on the first snap right there, it really seems to work for me. So again, this is what they look like. This side is made out of like a waterproof material. It feels really nice. This side, it feels really, really nice. They look really high quality made. They are seem to be like very durable. Again, this is a clean one. And yeah, they held up to washing them very well. So yeah, I am currently on day 3 of my cycle. My cycle normally lasts anywhere from sometimes 5 days, sometimes 7 days. It ranges anywhere from being light the whole time to a mixture of heavy, medium, and whatnot. And again, these are medium flow pads. The other cool thing that I like about these is that they don't feel bulky. Like they don't feel bulky at all. Like when I have one on now, and when I'm currently sitting down, it doesn't feel like I have a pad there, which is nice because I've had disposable pads. I've used them before, and having those, it felt awkward. It felt like I was in a diaper. This doesn't feel awkward. This material feels so comfortable, way comfortable than disposable pads. And I was really shocked. I've never used reusable pads like this before. So yeah, overall, I really, really like these. The other cool feature that these have is you can actually fold them up and snap them in place by folding one side down like this, one side down like this, so you have it like that, and then you turn the wings over. I'm again trying to do this one-handed, and then you snap it into place. I can do it one-handed. Ah. I should have brought my tripod upstairs. But you snap it into place and it rolls up just like this. So it's completely sealed. Nothing can leak out. And then you can just throw it right into your bag, zip it up, and go. And another thing you can do so that way, if you want to carry, like if you're going to be out for like a bunch of hours or whatnot, and you say you want to carry 2 extra clean ones with you just in case, say it's a heavy day, and you just want to make sure you have the extra protection. Even though this is like a waterproof bag, which I absolutely and totally love, having the used one mixed in with the other ones, you're going to not want it to touch. Another thing you can do is you can also just carry like a mini Ziploc bag, and just put these ones inside the Ziploc bag. That way they don't even touch the clean ones. But anyways, I like how these fold up and snap together so that way they are, nice and like secured for when you go ahead and put them in this. Now, I use tampons during the day, and I normally use pads at night. And I like the fact that it's a one-time expense that's going to last me anywhere from, I'm going to say, 3 to 5 years, depending on how well I take care of them. So what I'm going to head and do is I'm going to show you a video from earlier of me of what a clean one looks like in the underwear, how it snaps on, and then I'm going to show you what they look like on, if you can see them, how they feel, and I will be back. Alright, so I just wanted to show you what this is a clean one, what it looks like when they're in, snapped into the underwear. So it looks like this, and then they snap on the back. There's like two different sizes. I have it on the outer side, and then they have an inner side. So that's what it looks like in the actual underwear. Alright, so I currently have them on. This is what they look like. You can't even really tell that I have a pad on, which I like that. They are nice and comfy. I definitely like that. They don't really seem to move when I move, which is good. Please pardon the messy background. So yeah, I mean, overall, these look like they would be discreet. They actually feel a lot nicer than disposable pads. So overall, like I said, this is day 3 of my period. Today is a medium flow day, and overall these have worked great for me. I haven't had any leaking, none of that, and they're super comfortable. I really do like these. So I recommend giving them a try. Again, they have multiple different brands out there. Again, this one is, I'm not being paid to give this opinion. This is my honest opinion. Again, they did send me this to try for free for my honest opinion, and my honest opinion is I think this is worth the $20. I really do. Again, for me, somebody who only uses pads at nighttime, because I use tampons and stuff during the day, this saves me an extra $10 that you would pay on a pack of pads. It saves me an extra $10 probably every 2 months, because like I said, I only use pads at nighttime. So this is gonna save me that extra money. So I mean, overall, I like them. They're comfortable. Another thing that I learned about this company is that every time you buy one of these starter kits, one cloth pad gets donated to, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Hopics, HOPICS, which is basically Women in Need. So that's really cool, and I like that. And like I said, I have a 10% off code that I will link down below. I will link where you can find them on Amazon. I'm going to link their social media handles. They have a Facebook page as well as an Instagram. They are, again, $20.99 to get the kit, but you get 1 bag and 6 washable pads, and I think that's so totally worth it. So again, this is my review on the Highoh reusable menstrual pads. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them the best I can. Bye.